Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Reforming Group. I'm Ranjita. I'm from Karnataka. I work as a freelancer and trainer. I'm happy to be here today to conduct this demo session on ADF. In this session, we will explore more about ADF. As this is our first class, so I would like to get to know each of you. Please introduce yourself, guys. Good to know that. Let's get started. Let's go through the agenda for ADF. We'll see first agenda, introduction to Azure Data Factory. We will discuss what is Azure Data Factory and benefit of using it. And second agenda is core components and functionality. We will discuss pipeline activities, dataset, link service, and data integration service. And third agenda is data transformation techniques. We will discuss data flows, Azure Databricks, and other transformation options. Fourth agenda is scheduling and monitoring. We will discuss trigger and monitor. Fifth agenda is advanced topics. We will cover CI, CD, and securities. Sixth agenda is best practice and tips. We will discuss pipeline designing and error handling. And seventh agenda is hands-on experience and example. We will provide small project to you guys. Along with that, building sample data pipelines. And next we'll see introduction about Azure Data Factory. I would like to know if you guys are already familiar with the idea or if you need to learn it. Good to know that. ADF is performing very well in current market. ADF means Azure Data Factory. In short form, we are call it as ADF. And what root cause you guys are identify is correct, and you guys will get good growth and good position as well. So please reach your goal, guys. And we'll see what is ADF. Basically, ADF is a cloud-based tool from Microsoft. Microsoft holds a leading position in the current market. As you guys already know, it is in top 5 company, and recently they launched Fabric. This is the updated version of ADF. Within 2-3 years, it's completely moved to Fabric, and still they are working for new ideas, and they are doing very work hard, and we are going to part of Microsoft. And ADF is a cloud-based data integration service that allows us to create, schedule, and orchestrate our ETL and ELT workflows at scale. Today is your first class, so I don't want to use all technical word. Just understand what is ADF and how it will works. And ADF means extract, transform, and load. Means ETL process. It's a completely ETL process, and it's a storage account. And we'll see. You can see the image displayed, right? Azure plus data plus factory. Azure means cloud, data means information or structure, factory means production. And we'll see next image. And this is the very good example of how ADF works. This facility is a garmented manufactured unit, and here you can see vehicle and raw materials and some stitching, and some people are doing some work, right? We'll see how it will works. And this vehicle is getting raw material from other shops or other source. After that, same like this, our ADF will work. We are getting our data set from other source. After that, he is stitching the raw materials. Same way, we are also cleaning our data in ADF. After that, he is doing a cross checking whether a cloth is stitched properly, size is correct, or any other cross check he will do. Same way, we are also doing data modeling in ADF process. After that, he is doing a packing. Same packing how he is doing cloth for packing after cleaning the means cross checking the cloth. Same way our ADF will work. We are doing transformation. After that, he is again cross checking packing is correct or label is correct, everything, and he's adding some QR code for that, everything he's making, right? Same way we are also doing in ADF. After transforming, it will store in somewhere, means somewhere in the sense our storage account. After that, again it will move to vehicle. In ADF, it will go to link service. After link service, it will go to Power BI. In garment factory, after packing, after final steps, it will go to some other shops for customers. So this is the best example for ADF. Similar way our ADF will work, guys. Just keep in mind that how garment factory will work, same our ADF will work. And this is the next image, and this is we already discussed in a previous image, right? Link service, raw material, means raw data, data cleaning, data modeling, transformation, and clean. See, same like this, our ADF will work. Link service is a bridge for us, and it's working in two ways. From link service, we are getting data from other sources from link service. From link services, we'll get raw data. After getting raw data, so we will clean that. After cleaning, we are doing data modeling. After data modeling, we will do data transformation. After data transformation, we'll clean data. After that, again it will go to link service. After link service, it will go to Power BI. It's completely ETL, extract, load, and transformation. And we'll see how to create Azure Data Factory using our portal. Go to Google. We don't have separate tool for Azure Data Factory. Go to Google, select azureportal.com. In this, select Microsoft Azure Portal. After selecting this, you guys will get free trial version 2 months. I don't have free version, so I am going pay as you. After this, you guys need to you guys need to do configuration. I don't have a subscription plan, so I'm selecting second option. And tomorrow I will show what and all configuration you guys need to do. This is the logo for Azure Data Factory. And this is how Azure portal looks like. It will display all services provided by Azure. You can see all options, right? And here you can see options, and we'll discuss all options. And here you can see cost management, whatever billing cycle will get, everything invoice, billing cycle invoice will get, you can see here. And resource group, this is we are going to use resource group. And subscription plan also you can able to see. And this is all Microsoft tools. And I'm going to select create a resource group, select this one. And here you can see some options. We are going to use all these options. And I'm going to search Azure Data Factory, Azure Data Factory. And this all Azure portal, guys, means other type of Azure. And you can see 1 to 4 pages, but we are going to use only first option, Azure Data Factory Microsoft. I'm going to select that one. After this, you can able to see Data Factory portal. Here you can see some points, right? This is very important. Whenever you will get a time, please go through this. It will helpful for you. And I'm going to create, select create. Here you can see a form. This is kind of a form filling. we have to fill all options, and configuration we need to do for create a data factory. And tomorrow class, so I will show how to create data factory. And this is the portal for Azure Data Factory, and it looks like this. And we are going to use all these options. And this is how Azure will work, and we'll see how exactly Azure will work. And this is all the storage account, blob storage, ADLS, and ASQL. We'll discuss more about all those options. And after storing the data set in blob storage, it will go to Azure Data Factory. This is a processing option. All processing option is happening inside the data factory. After completing the processing, again it will go to storage account. Here it will go to ASQL. After storing here, it will go to Power BI. And we'll see next concept, component of Azure Data Factory. And trigger is not first component. First component is a pipeline. Pipeline, it's a logic group of activities. And the second one is activities. Here you can see copy data and transform data, and like this option, like this activities will work. And next you can see data set. Data set means represent the data structure. It will be in table or files or CSV files, etc. And next one is linked service. In linked service, it's a connection to external data sources like SQL, blob storage, or ADLS. We'll discuss more about all this component. And the last one is trigger. A trigger is used for scheduling pipeline executions. Means midnight 2 o'clock your client will ask for a report. Midnight 2 o'clock we can't able to wake up and we can't able to send report, right? So instead of that, we are using a trigger option. We can schedule time in trigger, and we'll see in practical session. We'll see how trigger will works. And I'm done with demo sessions. And if anyone have any doubt, please feel free to ask. Thank you guys. I hope this session help you to understand the basic of Azure Data Factory, and we'll meet again. Thank you guys.